Hi there, in this video you are going to learn how to check who has been using your computer behind your back on Windows 8. Now this can be done by using an effective utility known as the Windows Event Viewer. So to run the Windows Event Viewer, you simply right click the bottom left corner of the screen and then select Run. And then here in this text field you are going to type Event VWR. Event VWR. And then click OK. Okay, so now this will run the Windows Event Viewer utility. So now go to the left pane and then click the arrow by the Windows Logs icon. So click this arrow and then click System. Now here there are two important columns to consider, the source column and the date and time column. The source column tells you the action or event. The date and time column, of course, tells you the date and time of the event. Now the important event we are looking for is Power Troubleshooter and WinLogon. Power Troubleshooter is basically when you turn on your computer, and WinLogon is basically when you log in. So as you can see here, the last time I turned on my computer was at 5:27 and 59 seconds. So I want 5:28. So I turned my computer at 5:28, and I logged in at 10 seconds later. Okay, so this is how you check it. So when you run the Windows Event Viewer, looks look for the actions WinLogon and Power Troubleshooter, and this will tell you the date and time that person logged in behind your back. So if you know you didn't log in during this time, then clearly someone has been using your computer behind your back. Now, albeit this is a really useful tool, it is limited. It mostly tells you when the person logs in and turn on the computer. It does not necessarily tell you what exactly they did on the computer. And to do this, but fortunately, there are ways you can check what exactly has someone done behind your back. Uh, One of the common things people use the computer for is to surf the web. So then, now you can check your browser history. So now you can, for example, you can run Internet Explorer and then check the browsing history. So if you see sites here that you did not visit, then clearly someone has been using your computer behind your back. Now, another reason people use computers for is to edit documents with word processing software like Microsoft Word. So let us try to run Microsoft Word and look for recent documents. As you can see, recent documents list. And if you see things here that you did not create, if you see documents that you did not create or worked on, then clearly someone has been using your computer behind your back. Now, another thing you can do, people also use computers to use software like video editing software and so on. So if you see that new software has been installed behind your back, then someone may have been using your computer behind your back. And to check that, you simply right click the bottom left corner of the screen and click Run, and then type appways.cpl. So if you see software that you did not install, then clearly someone has been using your computer behind your back. Okay, now there are many other ways you can do this. If you know more ways, I'm sure there are, you can post them in the comments below. But if you find this video helpful, please subscribe because there are more videos like this.